It was really fun working with Renewal by Andersen, even from the get-go when we got to look at the different types of windows, the different styles of visually how they might look as well as how they could open.
They were very respectful, being in my house and telling me along the way what process was going to be happening when, and I was very, very impressed with them.
Everybody we dealt with in the whole process, from the installers to the salesperson and the schedulers, everybody did what they said they were going to do.
I mean, they were here at 7:30, and they were done by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So 3 windows and a door, I couldn't have done that in 3 weeks by myself.
They looked beautiful. They were installed easily. I mean, no muss, no fuss.
The best decision we have made in updating and renovating our house. And we are very glad we chose Renewal by Andersen.